Hi Cancers, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancers. Let us see what is coming up, guys. We'll be picking a few cards, guys, for your daily energies. So these are for your daily energies, Cancers. And I'll be picking one card from the two cards, guys, from the Wisdom Oracle deck. One card for your career situation, guys. So this is for your career situation, Cancers, and this is for your relationship. So we'll turn the cards now for your daily energies, guys. Nine of Wands, Nine of Pentacles in reverse, Queen of Cups in reverse, Cancers. Cancers, for your daily energies, guys. Today you may be in a particular situation where you feel the choices that you have made, the trust you had on your choices, that has been wasted because things are not going as expected, guys. You are facing troubles and you are in certain struggles today, guys. And maybe in this relationship or in your work situations, things are not going as expected. So you may feel that the people whom you work with, they cannot be trusted, or this person you are with, they cannot be trusted. Though you share that love and affection, you do not have that complete trust on this person, guys. That is what I see here with this card. And you are feeling certain struggles, but you have the strength, you have that determination, you have that strong determination and conviction to overcome your troubles. That is a very positive thing here, guys. You want to come out of these struggles. That is what I see here. Let us see what is the oracle guidance for your career situation, guys. So this card will answer what questions you have regarding your career situation, guys. Yeah, this card should be read straight, guys, not in reverse. So the appearance of this card for your career situation, guys, just like we said with the previous cards, you have that determination and confidence to make things work. You are making those tremendous efforts in your work situation, guys. So that is why we have got this card. This card stands for that creative power, guys. So you have that strong conviction in yourself. You want to make things work for your benefit. So whatever projects or partnerships you are going towards in your work, you will be getting over that obstacle phase. So you are going to make it work for your benefit with your energy and vitality, guys. But at the same time, you should be mindful of impulsive action, overconfidence and aggressive behavior. So you should think deeply before making a choice, and there is no need to fear, guys. You have to just be thoughtful. You have to have that thoughtful consideration about your move. Whatever your plan is, then go forward with it. Then you will reach success. That is what I see here with this card. Let us see what is the card for your relationship, Cancers. Soulmates. So maybe in certain relationships, guys, we may feel that great attraction towards this person that will overwhelm us. Sometimes we may feel, we would have felt aversion to this person in the beginning. Even this person may be our soulmate, but we would have felt aversion in the beginning. And as we proceed into the relationship, we may develop that attraction. And sometimes when we face challenges and quarrels, we break down so badly, and this relationship breaks down the barriers that we have within ourselves sometimes. So these people, why are they there in our life? So these are our soulmates, guys. So they are there for a particular reason. They are there to push us towards our evolution. So that is the only reason we are there with such people. So we will know what is the truth, what we are when we are in a relationship with such people. So we need to learn. We need to learn from the situation. We need to think of the situation as a gift. So when we do that, we will know where we are right now, how far we have grown, and it will help us understand, guys. And these people are the greatest gifts in our life. So they will push us faster towards our evolution. So we should thank the universe for helping us to be with such people. Maybe some relationships may have that great understanding and we will be friends for life. So when we find such soulmates, it is indeed a great blessing, guys. But sometimes if we do not have that connection with that strong connection, we are in separation maybe for some of us, then we need to understand that person is there just to give us that growth that we needed, and it is a blessing in disguise, guys. That is what I see here with these cards. That is the oracle's guidance for your relationship, guys, and that is the reading for today, Cancers. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.